The next one that I have here, a box after my own heart. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am so excited today. I received my first PR box and it comes straight from PINCHme. And as you guys know, if you watch my channel, then you know I talk about PINCHme all the time. It is a company that sends out different samples depending upon what you put in your survey that tells you, that tells them a lot about you so that they can get the right products from all of these different famous brands out to you. So yeah, they have some of the best products and they come from all these different companies like Neutrogena, from L'Oreal, you name it. You'll receive a sample of those items in your box each month. So once you sign up for PINCHme, you become what they call a pincher. And from there, you are able to fill out, of course, your information for the different surveys so that you can get the right items that are matched to you. And everything is 100% free. You do not have to pay for shipping. You don't have to pay the cost of the products. Everything is free. Now, the box that I have here, this is going to be a little larger than the ones that you receive in the mail just because it is an influencer box. But it still has the great products inside, and I am going to unbox this and show you guys what they are. But first, I want to give you guys who are not familiar with PINCHme, I want to show you what your box is going to look like, and then I'll show you what mine is going to look like. Oh yeah, before I rip it open, I thought this was so cute when I received it in the mail. Of course, it had my name and address, but if you can look right there in the center, it says freebies and wins. How cute! That was so cute. I was so excited when I saw that. I said, aw, they're recognizing my channel's name. So this is the box that the influencers receive. But yours is going to look slightly different. Like I said, you're going to have about maybe 3 to 6 samples that you're going to receive in yours. And they come in all different colors. So here's an example. This is one I've had in the past. And you guys are more than welcome to check my old videos just to see what they look like and what items I received. As if you check your email, you have an opportunity there as well to like snag items. And they will usually come in a smaller box or an envelope such as this. So now that I'm done with all that talking, let's go ahead and get into this box. So we're going to dive into those. So it says, welcome. We're so thrilled for you to join our exclusive PINCHme Influencer Club. Hey. As a founding member, you'll be one of the first to get access to exclusive free products, promotions, events, and much more. And it says, we hope that you enjoy this box of amazing products and share with your followers. Of course. So the first item we have here is blister cushions, and this is from the company PINCHme. And of course you see it there. Let me put it up a little closer. And you use that to heal your blisters on your feet. This is some soap from the company PINCHme. I love their soap. Oh my goodness. This is in the scent French lavender. It smells good. It smells good. I cannot remember the scent of the other one, but it was amazing. I loved it. So this here is healthy peanut butter from RX. So there is my RX nut butter there. The next item that I have here, this is called Vibute Pure, and it is an anti-aging face serum. I love to use face serums, so I definitely can't wait to try this out. I'm gonna go ahead and see what the bottle looks like. I can open it. Oh, that's cute. Look how cute the little serum bottle is. That's pretty. Okay, it has like a, smells good. See that? That's that face serum. I wonder how long it takes to rub this in. Oh, quickly dissolves. Salt, heck, I can use that as lotion. Okay, so this is supposed to give you your results in just 10 minutes. This is from L'Oreal Paris. This is a single mask here. This is the Pure Clay Mask. And this is what the full size bottle would look like in stores. Okay. I cannot wait to do a product review on these items that I have here. And of course, you guys know I'm going to share it with you. So the next one I have here is some deodorant from the company Native. And this is in the scent coconut and vanilla. Oh, that smells good. Yeah, you can really smell the coconut in this. The next one that I have here, a box after my own heart. So this is from Ghirardelli Chocolates, and this is a milk chocolate caramel square. Now you all know good and well. You know good and well I am not gonna make a video with food without eating some. So let me try this. Ooh. Lord have mercy. Give me a moment. And last, that's so sad. Chocolate is my weakness. And last but certainly not least, this is a multi-daily immune support peel. And this is from the company Sundown Naturals. Oh, they're big. These are some horse peels. Oh my God. Look at that. How big that is. But yeah. After I check and see if these are safe for me to take, I am going to try them out because I wonder if it gives you energy because I don't have any lately. So again, for those who are not familiar with PINCHme, I'll do a quick breakdown from the items that they have here. It says how it works. Of course, you go to www.pinchme.com and make sure that you sign up, make sure that your address and everything is correct. And once a month, you'll receive an email when the free samples are available for you to claim. And then you're going to provide your honest feedback on those samples. Got to remember, guys, you have to make sure that you give your honest feedback on these samples and make sure that you do it in time in order for you to qualify for some more samples in the future. And of course, they have this section called the PINCHme. It's like a PINCHme tab. So you have chances to also win products from that daily. So if you're really into doing like surveys and stuff, I definitely recommend the PINCHme to you. And it says how it works. And then it says you click on the Treat Me tab and you receive daily emails with special offers. Always make sure that you check your offers and your emails from PINCHme because you never know where your free items are going to come from. And that is all inside. But guys, I am so excited for this. Thank you again to PINCHme for allowing me to be a part of you all's company as far as being an influencer and letting my subscribers know just what is out here, how amazing PINCHme is. So guys, if you're interested in signing up for PINCHme, I will have all of the information down below in my description box. And if you are already a part of PINCHme, let me know how it works for you, how many items you received in the mail. And guys, of course, see this video, spread the word, let everybody know that around the US, there is a company out here that will send you all these free items, and all you have to do is sign up, answer a couple of surveys here and there, and each month you will be surprised with all of these goodies in your mailbox, in these cute little boxes that you cannot pass up. Well, guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I will see you all next Wednesday with freebies and wins. Guys, enjoy the rest of your week, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.